Alright, we're going to take you through the fundamental understandings of mobility. Now, this is absolutely crucial. When you come in and train at the gym, you'll see that everyone does it, and this is crucial to be doing before and ideally after your workout, because the better your body moves well, the better it's going to respond to the training when you do it. So the first thing we need to understand is when we're using a foam roller, you need to choose the right density of the tool. Okay, so these are tools for essentially self-massage. Now, I forgot to mention that you may hear the term SMR. SMR stands for self-myofascial release, which is foam rolling is a type of that, but just think of it as self-massage, okay? So when we're self-massaging, if you look at the pink and the green rollers, they're going to be the same densities. These are the softest. The next one over is the black ones, which are the medium density, and the hardest ones are the orange ones. So as you'd understand, the harder the material, the more aggressive it's going to be. So if you're looking at a foam roller, the thing to understand and really pay attention to is that this is a large surface area. So if you were to go see a massage therapist, if they were going to give you a massage and kind of run their palm over you, that's the equivalent of a large surface area. So it's going to cover a lot of area, but not going to go very deep into the tissue, okay? So that's the same as a foam roller. If, for example, that massage therapist found like a knot or like a trigger point inside your muscle that they really want to work into, they'd probably start using their thumbs and really getting deeper and deeper into it. So what that would mean is like the thumb is a smaller surface area, it's going to get in deeper and then be more aggressive again. So if you look at things like balls, they're good ways to get into really tight spots as well. And the same rule applies. You can have a soft ball or a hard ball to increase that aggressiveness.